now shadow a student who is working on a design challenge and explore two simple yet powerful tools that can help us in understanding others. Lucas is interested in applying design thinking to the prevention of skin cancer. This is a complex problem that does not have one solution. Where can he start? Sun exposure is a major risk factor for skin cancer, so exploring how people protect themselves from the sun seems like a promising place to start. Are there opportunities for innovative solutions there? Lucas does an internet search to find background information. However, since his goal is to invent a novel solution for this problem, he has to go beyond searching for what others have already come up with. So Lucas goes out to observe how people protect themselves from the sun. He has his own experiences and preconceptions, but he observes with fresh eyes and pays attention to every detail, looking for surprises and things that challenge his assumptions. He also engages them in conversation to learn more details. He captures observations and quotes on his notebook. An ice cream vendor arrives. Lucas realizes that he must work outdoors most of the day, a perfect person to ask about his sun protection habits. Lucas's detailed notes will help him identify opportunities for improving sun protection. To make sense of his observations, Lucas uses a framework called Empathy Map. He reviews his notes and decides to focus on the ice cream vendor. On the left side of the empathy map, Lucas uses the sections labeled Say and Do to unpack what he heard and saw from the ice cream vendor. Once he completes the Say and Do sections, Lucas moves to the right side of the empathy map. Here, he will make inferences about the person's thoughts and feelings. For example, the ice cream vendor said, "I don't know why there is so much hype with sun exposure." Lucas infers from this that the vendor thinks exposure to the sun is not dangerous. Going from observations to inferences will allow Lucas to uncover and define more meaningful, non-obvious problems. Focusing on Mark, the ice cream vendor who spends a lot of time at outdoor events, Lucas composes a problem statement that synthesizes one of Mark's needs related to sun protection. The third element in the problem statement, the insight, captures the inference from the empathy map that led Lucas to that need.